So, Arsenal, 0. Our former manager with Aston Villa, 2. He's now done the double over us this season. Yeah, he's done the double, guys. After knocking us out in the semi-final of the Europa League with Villarreal, he's now done the double over us in our most important game of the season. You wouldn't know it was the most important game of the season because the manager decided to pick a weird starting 11. His in-game substitutions and management was shambolic. And then players were absolutely awful. We're smoking the self-destruct pack tonight. Smash the like button. Oh yeah, we've smoked this one every year for the last 20. I remember this one from last year, yeah. Oh, and the year before when Antonio Conte finished above us, yeah. Cool. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. I'll be doing a Chelsea watch along tomorrow. Yeah, cool. I'm also on Midday Live with Said. Yeah. Great weekend for Man City. Great weekend for Man City. And this is why I do not get carried away. I am seething. I am seething with that. That performance today was like Southampton last season. And after 10 minutes of that game, I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, okay, Ollie Watkins nearly headed one in, just landed on top of the goal, on top of the netting. But it was walking football. And I've been telling people this. It is boring, walking, slow, methodical, predictable, robotic football. This is not the best league in the world. It is crap. It is absolute garbage. Absolute garbage. No individuality. We got 29 clean through on goal 3 times today in the first half. Yeah, that was a great advert for as to why we need a striker. Jesus. I've been telling you about this City scrub. We'll come into the other City scrub in a minute. Jesus Christ on a bike. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, guys, that City scrub has missed another header from 6 yards out, guys. Bukayo Saka today, star boy, yeah. But it's racially motivated. If you slander or talk about him, you got Tom Canton out here writing articles about why he gets more abuse than anyone else. Mate, criticism ain't abuse. Deal with it. Yeah, deal with it. You're playing for Arsenal Football Club. You've played 300 games nearly in your entire career for club and country. Yeah, if you drop stinkers, you ain't fooling me with your little limping off the pitch one, Rashford-esque. Yeah, absolutely awful again today. But it's no surprise. No surprise, because guess what? He did this last year at this time. The self-destruct pack. He did it the year before as well when we bottled top 4. Just saying. However, I blame the manager for that. For him, he needs to do better. Real talk, he needs to do better. But I blame the manager as well, more so than him. Because let's be real, people say, oh, he's playing through injury. Ain't hearing it. Every player's playing through injury. Every single one of these. Zaniolo had his legs strapped up. He's probably had an injection to numb the pain. Yeah, and yeah, he was crap. Every single one of these players is playing through an injury. None of these players are 100% fit. They're not. They're all taking injections. They're all being rushed back. They're all playing at 70, 80%, 90%, some of them. Some will be playing at 60%, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, cool, whatever. Yeah, it's an excuse, and I'm bored of excuses. I'm bored of it. I said in that game, after maybe 50 minutes, I said, this has got Villa 1-0 written all over it. How do I know that? Oh, because I've seen the same story unfold before. I've had script, guys, the script. Yeah? We've seen it. We've seen it every year. Why is it we play Bayern Munich and this fan base gets so mouthy? Not all of them, but a large percentage of this fan base mouthy about Bayern Munich. Oh, well done to Granit Xhaka today, by the way. Well done. Won a title while we were bottling the title. Well done. What phase are they in? What phase are they in? Have they got a dog? Have they wheeled out win? Because they've actually won. What phase is he in as a manager? Just gone up against the best team in Germany who've won 11 titles on the spin and gone, bang, I'm having your title, bro. Give me the title. Give me that. I'm having that. What phase is he in? But it's a farmers league. Okay, if it's a farmers league, then why do you want players from that league? Why do you gas up all these players in other leagues if they're all farmers league? Surely you'd want to sign players from this league because this is the best league, apparently. So why would you want any players from other leagues? Because this is where the best players are, because it's the best league, right? So surely you'd only want players from this league because it's the best league. Absolute rubbish. Nobody watches Sporting. Nobody watches Bologna, the latest hippie hipster's choice. Oh, Thiago Motta. You can't name Bologna's starting 11 because you don't watch them, mate. Yeah, what are you waffling about? I'm sick to death of it. Yeah, he subbed off today. In fact, I'll save Zinchenko for a little bit down the line. He subbed off today, Ben White. And brought in Tomiyasu. When Tomiyasu was getting ready to come on, I was like, thank God he's getting that C-Tech Bart Simpson out of it. Yeah, them City scrubs. I tweeted on the 6th of April, them City scrubs do not need to be playing. They need to sit and hold bench. Otherwise, we are done for. The abuse on the tweet. Sorry to tell you guys. Hello. Hello. Proven once again today. Where was Zinchenko for the first goal? Oh, he was playing right back. Well, he weren't even at right back, actually. He was at right centre back whilst Leon Bailey's tapping it in. Where was he for the second goal? Bad boy finish by Ollie Watkins, by the way. Oh, sign him up, guys. Sign him up. Why would you sign him up? We never get him behind anybody. Pause. Yeah, this ain't the Diddy house party, bruv. Yeah, we sit and play boring, slow, walking, U-shaped horseshoe football. So Ollie Watkins would not suit Arsenal at all. I keep hearing people waffling about Isak. Yeah, cool. Good player. He's a more polished Ollie Watkins. But again, we never get on a counter-attack against anyone, really, because normally we're camped on the edge of their box, passing side to side to side to side to side to side to side. So Isak and Watkins would be dead at this football club. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. He subbed off Ben White. He then subs off Odegaard. Yes, he weren't having a great game. He weren't. He did all right. He was our best player by a mile in the first half, by the way. Yeah, Declan Rice, stinker. Second stinker in the last 3-4 days. Second stinker in the last 3-4 days. Gabriel Magalhaes, stinker. Saliba, stinker. But he subbed off Odegaard. And do you know what summed up Arsenal Football Club in a nutshell? The fact that Odegaard went to give Jesus, that scrub from City, the captain's armband. He gave it to him, and 2 seconds after he gave it to him, the board went up with Jesus' number on it. That sums up Arsenal Football Club. My fan cam title on Wednesday, Arsenal are a catfish. Yeah, we are a catfish. Looks amazing on paper. It looks great. It actually performs decent at times. However, when you go and meet said catfish, it's 10 stone overweight and has a moustache. What are we doing here? Every single year, that scrub at left back. That scrub at left back. Oh my days. Yeah. Trossard today as well. I'm coming back to him in a minute, by the way, but Trossard, you're my guy. You've got to bury that chance, mate. I'm sorry. You've got to score. That game was a walk-in advertisement. And it was walk-in football, by the way. That game was a walk-in advertisement for why this football club needs a elite striker. And guess what? Down the other end, what a finish from Ollie Watkins. Why was Smith Rowe the last man, by the way? Oh, because we were going for the game. We were trying to get back in. Why weren't you doing that from the beginning? Instead of standing there, putting your foot on the ball for 10 seconds, trying to draw them out. They weren't getting drawn out. You got out tactics, guys. That was absolute crap. And that was the biggest game of the season. This lot and that manager had one eye on Bayern Munich. Yeah? Guess what? You fucked it. Yeah? Done. People will be going, oh, you're negative, you're toxic. No, I'm realistic, mate. Oh, you've been waiting for this to happen. I guarantee I'll be trending later, or probably now. Oh, clips of me doing it. Why aren't you clipping me up when I'm positive? Yeah, because you're trying to profit with your Twitter accounts and your YouTube channels, trying to get my clips because I'm having a meltdown. because I'm pissed off about that. You never clip me up when I'm positive, innit? Funny though, because I turn up every single day, multiple times every day. I haven't had a day off since probably August or September on either or. I had a day off on that channel today, but I'm on this one. Yesterday I had a day off on this channel, but I was on that one all day, 7 hours. I have not had a day off working for about 6-7 months. Maybe longer. I don't even know. I don't know the last time I didn't record or upload or stream a video. I don't know. I turn up every day. Every single day. And I've been sitting here telling people, stop giving it all the bigging about Bayern Munich. Bayern Leverkusen have dropped 8 points all season. If they'd lost 3 games, Bayern would be 3 points behind them. I think it's 3 points, something like that. I think they were 12 behind. Maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? I don't care. My head's on Pluto right now. Not only that, we just see Liverpool lose. And that's the performance. Nah, man, get out of here. I said to everyone, when that Bayern Munich draw came out, I said, calm down, stop waffling, stop doing all your combined 11s, being a top gooner and all that, io de puta, mutante, wrong-uns. Stop gassing everything. Because when the chips are down, we fold. We folded last season. We folded the season before. Every cup competition, we bottle it. 4 years without a trophy. Wow. If you don't win something this season, 4 years without a trophy. And people are still backing this if you don't. Wow. You're the problem. Yeah, you're the problem. I'll be going for the owners after that. Yeah, I'll be fully on the Cronkies. Because if he don't win nothing at the end of the season, all over, mate. It's for the Cronkies now. Yeah. I'm sorry, ain't acceptable. Yeah, we've just seen Man City slap 5. We've seen Liverpool lose at home. Yeah, good one. And that's the performance. That's the performance. His subs were a disgrace, an absolute disgrace. Yeah, and I told everyone when I see them 2 Bayern fixtures, and we were on streams here, there, and everywhere, other channels, I was like, yo, don't forget, we've got Aston Villa sandwiched in between that. I've said it all week. Can't have one eye on Bayern Munich. You have to win this game. Regardless of what City and Liverpool do, we have to win. We stay top if we win. But no. Nobody listened to me. I said, that's a potential banana skin. He was going to want to come and ruin us. It's our former manager, the way he was treated, this and this. Yeah, this former manager, by the way, managed to get Arsenal, apparently a mess. He left the mess. He managed to get that to a final. One final. That's how many Super Mick with 4 years of BS, PR, and 600 million quid spent has got to. The bald fraud up at Manchester, not Pep, because he's a good manager, the one in the red half, has managed to get to 2 in 1 season. Poch could potentially get to 2 in 1 season. But don't worry, Super Mick's only got to 1, innit? Get out of it, man. We're out. Laters.